Toyota Camry no start diagnosis. Looks like the vehicle overheated really bad on the freeway and did significant internal damage. You can see right there where the radiator had been leaking for quite a while and it poured it all out. We're going to do a compression test. It's at 0 right now. While I'm cranking it, if it builds any pressure, it'll hold the pressure there. Let's see what it's got. We can't see it. You see, it sounds really funny when it's turning over. Yeah, 0 compression. This motor needs to be replaced.